Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English learning video.
Today, we will learn English while cooking.
Let's practice together.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What will we cook? What will we cook?
We will cook eggs. We will cook eggs. Can you get the eggs? Can you get the eggs?
Sure, I can. Sure, I can. Where are the eggs? Where are the eggs?
They are in the fridge. They are in the fridge.
Please open the fridge. Please open the fridge.
Okay.
How many eggs do we need? How many eggs do we need?
We need 3 eggs. We need 3 eggs. Can you wash your hands? Can you wash your hands?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Do you need a bowl? Do you need a bowl?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Put the eggs in the bowl. Put the eggs in the bowl.
Okay, I will.
Can you mix the eggs? Can you mix the eggs?
Sure.
Do we need salt? Do we need salt?
Yes, a little salt. Yes, a little salt.
Where is the salt? Where is the salt?
It is on the shelf. It is on the shelf.
Turn on the stove. Turn on the stove.
The stove is on. The stove is on.
Is the pan hot? Is the pan hot?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Pour the eggs into the pan. Pour the eggs into the pan.
Okay.
Can you stir the eggs? Can you stir the eggs?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
They smell good. They smell good.
I know. I know.
Is the food ready? Is the food ready?
Almost ready. Almost ready.
Please put it on a plate. Please put it on a plate.
Sure.
Let's eat together. Let's eat together.
That sounds great. That sounds great.
How is the food? How is the food?
It is very delicious. It is very delicious.
Did you enjoy this English lesson?
Practice these sentences every day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next English lesson. Bye!